Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Ashley, and I'll be your Sunny Fit trainer for today's workout. We have a huge library of cardio and strength workouts, and we release new workouts every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on our new releases. Today, we're going to be doing Improve with Intervals treadmill workout. It's gonna be a 10-minute beginner, so if you're new to running and you're just looking for someplace to start, this is gonna be a great workout for you. We'll keep it simple, with a little bit of challenging effort, okay? So with that being said, we are gonna start warming with a warm-up, so go ahead and hit start on your treadmill, and we're just gonna take a walking pace, so that could be whatever you like. I'm gonna put mine at a 3, and just kind of start here. We're just gonna spend a minute on this warm-up. Okay, so just getting adjusted to moving. Maybe you just woke up and you gotta get the blood flowing. Let me take it down a notch. I'm gonna take it down to 2.8. That feels like a good place to warm up my walk. After this next 30 seconds of just warming up our bodies, warming up our legs, we're gonna go into a 1-minute jog. The jog could be anywhere from a 4 to a 6, whatever feels good for you. If you're more on the beginner side, if you've never been on a treadmill before, or still a little apprehensive, go for the lower speed. Okay, we're going in 15 seconds, all right? And just easy arms on the side, to the sides, okay? And we'll pick up the pace in 5 seconds here, and we'll be here for 1 minute. In 3, 2, and 1. So what I like to do is I'll hit the number closest to where I wanna go, and then just up it a couple notches. So I'm gonna hit it at a 5 right here. I'm gonna jog at a 5. Nice and light on the feet. Make sure you're striking the pad with your full foot. Try to stay off the toe and off the heavy heel, and try to land nice and flat-footed. Great job. We are gonna get to walk again after this, so try to commit to that full minute in this nice gentle jog. Take note of how your body's feeling. Just send a little love to yourself, your mind, your body. Telling yourself, you got this. I'm doing it for you. We got another 15 seconds and we get to walk. Nice and light on those feet. Arms are at the sides. Elbows just swinging forward and back. And we're going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and hit your walk pace. I'm gonna keep it at a 3. So I would encourage you, maybe if you were at, let's say, a 2 at the warm up, then maybe you wanna go to like a 2.5 for this recovery walk, all right? We get to be here for a minute, so nose, out the mouth, relax, recover. We're gonna go back to a jog the next round, okay? So I did a 5 at that last jog round, and I'm gonna try to hit maybe a 5.3. So give yourself a goal and increase your speed just a touch if you feel called to do so. If the last round was challenging enough, keep it where you were, but try to keep it where you were. So try not to go lower, if that makes sense, okay? We're gonna go in 15 seconds, go back to our jog. All right, nice and simple. Hips are even, shoulders are even. Paying attention to how your knees are feeling as well. Trying not to hyperextend. All right, let's go 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna hit the number 6, and then hit the down button to, I'll go with my 5.5 here. That feels good. So again, anywhere from a 4 to a 6, 4 to 6. That could be 4.2, that can be 5.8, okay? Whatever feels good. And again, if last round felt like a good breezy jog, maybe increase it by 0.2 or 0.3. See what you can do. All right, we got less than 30 seconds left in this jog. Remember to pay attention to how your feet are landing as well. All right, brace the abs a bit too. 15 seconds and we go back to a walk, but this time we're gonna do a minute walk with an incline. All right, so we're gonna hit a 4% incline. In 10 seconds, you take the speed down to your walk and increase your incline to a 4. 2, and 1, back to your walk. All right, and I'm going to up my walk a little bit, and I'm gonna hit my incline on the left side over here. I'm gonna go to a 4. All right, so we're climbing a little hill. Great job. How are we feeling so far? Good stuff. in the nose and out the mouth. Okay, next, after this minute here, got another 30 seconds. Gauge where you are, right? If this is really challenging, maybe slow down the walk a little bit, or you can decline a little bit more. If you don't want to be at a full 4, you can be at a 2. But wherever you are, try to keep it there for this next 30-second jog. We're going to jog for 30 seconds at this incline, all right? This will be your more challenging part of the workout. We're going in 10 seconds. Believe you can do it, and let's do it. Going in 5, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and hit that. On the right side, I went back to my 5.5 jog, all right? So maybe you go back to where you were before. I mean, if last time felt good, like you're like, I got anything, then you can even increase the speed by 0.2 with this incline. But if last round was challenging, maybe you want to take it down 0.2. That's also fine in the speed. 3, 2, and 1. Back to a walk. Easy breezy walk, wherever you want to be for this walk. 30 seconds. We're going to do that 30-second jog again, okay? Just 30 seconds. Recover, breathe. Remember to pay attention to how your feet are striking. Don't hyperextend those knees. Maybe draw a little attention to your abs. We're going in 10 seconds. Another 30-second jog. You got this. Here we go. In 5, 3, 2, and 1. I'm back at my 5.5. Make this workout your own. See where you are. Have some faith in yourself. It's gonna be a little more challenging. You want it to be that way because if your body's not challenged, you don't get to improve. So let's improve with these intervals. We're going into finishing up in 10 seconds. We'll do a 1-minute brisk recovery walk. In 3, 2, and 1. Okay, take it down a notch. And what we're gonna do is take that walk speed up a little bit more than you had last time. So I'm at 3.5, which I did the last 30-second walk. I wanna keep it here, and I'm gonna take that incline to 1%. Okay, we're here for a minute. Goal here is not to climb a hill, but we want just that slight increase, which you won't even feel probably. 30 more seconds. This is a recovery walk, but it's meant to be a little faster, okay? So keep your heart rate just a little higher than full recovery, okay? Just breathe, dial back into your body, and we have a 90-second finisher, you guys. Hardest part here, we're going 90 seconds, jogging, 4 to 6. Maybe you get a little bit more than you had last time. Maybe you just go for what you had last time. It's totally fine. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna hit a 6. I'm gonna hit that top part of our goal here for the jog. Do what feels right for you. I'd rather you focus on good form, hitting the pad with good foot strike, right? Flat foot strike, not too much on the toes, not too much on the heels. So wherever you need to be to make sure your form is good while still getting a good workout, that's more important than just, flying, right? Okay? So let's not push too hard to the point of, risking injury or anything like that. Let's just take it, the challenge for what it is. We're halfway through. Halfway through, stick to where you are. Try not to decrease because you are done after this. You got this, you got it. Breathe in the nose, gently out the mouth, 30 seconds. Chest proud, shoulders out of the ears, eyes forward. 20 seconds, you got it. Hang on to it, hang on. Don't give up yet. 10 seconds, you can do anything for 10 seconds. Breathe. Last 5, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna hit the stop button, but feel free to walk it out if you'd like another recovery walk or to get a little more movement in. Feel free to walk for another couple minutes. And yeah, all right guys, that was it, 10-minute beginner workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe next time, if you do this workout again, you know what it is now, so you can decide to go a little harder or whatever feels good for you. So thank you so much for working out with me today. If you like this workout, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on our workouts. We have new ones every week. Also, feel free to leave a comment. Let us know how you did, and if you want to see more workout videos just like this one. I'll see you at the next one. Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you there.